Well, it's here. 2020 Spring Bear Camp. I'll tell you, I am freaking excited. About 2.5 hours into a 4.5 hour drive here. Got stuff, truck's all packed. Man, is she full this year. I don't even think you can fit a fart in this truck. Yeah, super pumped. We've been doing this spring bear camp for about 7 years now, and lots of bears come through camp. So I mean, decided I'd give it a go. Just filming it on our phones this year and seeing how it goes. Because man, like I said, so many bears come through camp. It would just be awesome to take a look back on some of these hunts and be able to watch them and relive them. It's pretty neat. I got a little guy, Eli, my buddy Andy, his kid. He's up to bat this year. He's been coming with us for quite a while now. He's seen lots of bears, shot, killed, but it's his first year behind the gun, and you can tell he's super excited. Man, I think I'm even just as excited for him. I can't wait to see him pound a couple bears. This will be fun. It's been really neat watching him, over the years, and be at the point now where he can now shoot his own critters. So yeah, that'll be super exciting. Just so pumped. Like got the truck all packed last night, and you go in, don't finish till late. Leaving first thing in the morning kind of thing, and I just get so wound up. I mean, like I said, 7 years, and I'm still as excited as I was the first year I did it. Hardly get any sleep last night because I just could not wait to get out here. Yeah. So it's about 2:40 now, 2:50. Probably rolling to camp around 5 o'clock-ish. Get camp set up. Might have time to go for a quick tour, hour and a half, see what's out there for some green cut lines or some nice clover patches, see what's around, see what she looks like.
Everything for your advantage.
Wait, where are those bullets?
So hard.
The other case of bullets.
Should be in your gun. I think.
Can you get my gun?
Ready for some practice?
Yeah. I got however many I'm supposed to dial in from 200 to 1,000.
Where you at?
0.
0? That's where you need to be.
Yeah.
0.
Where's
You could actually turn it
not
on.
bipod, monopod. It's 160 yards.
I think he's ready. Good shooting, buddy.
That's a 5-foot bear.
I'm not shooting with the gun.
It's in the tree.
Stop!
ditch. Might stick around here tonight.
I didn't expect that at all. We were like drove right up on him.
Where did I jump the ditch? Nice. You passed on your first bear. I think that's a good call with a gun.
This guy just wants to get shot. Oh, come back and play, boo-boo.
Oh, he's still there. Oh, he's up the tree. Goose.
After being in camp for only hours before seeing several bears, we knew our timing was right and would be just as good as years previous. It would only be a matter of time before young Eli was squeezing the trigger on his first bear. Our first full evening of hunting did not disappoint. It seemed as though there was a bear waiting for us around every corner. After passing on 5 or 6, we visited one of our favorite pipelines, where one was spotted that got Eli's attention, and the stalk was on.
Jack another round in. Jack another round in.
Oh, I see him.
Atta boy.
Tell me a story. Are you shaking? Let's see. Like,
There's the death moan.
Death moan.
Death moan.
Yeah, I heard it.
Oh yeah, buddy.
He's dead.
Oh yeah, buddy.
You just shot your first bear.
Listen to him. He's dead.
Just be quiet. You said you never heard death moan before.
Bear.
Heard one now?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Man, it's been a long time coming, buddy. Hey?
Tell us the story. How many bears have you seen today?
That one's number 6.
Is he big?
Yeah, he is.
Looks good.
His ears are on the side of his head. He's a big bear.
Yes.
He's good, eh?
Yeah, he is.
I can't wait to see him.
He was sitting facing you just perfect, eh?
He's like, can I shoot him forward? I'm like, yeah, go ahead. You did good. How far is that?
I have no idea.
Doesn't matter.
No.
You smoked him.
Yeah.
You rolled him.
When I heard that bullet hit,
It hit hard. I'm glad I decided to leave the bow back
Yeah.
there and not try
So
for a
quiet.
bullshot. Yeah.
You get your second one with the bow.
Yeah.
Whoop whoop.
oh yeah, buddy.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
All right. What do you want to do?
Go find the bear.
Should we go get the truck or find the bear first?
Probably find the bear.
Or should we just go in with a calf slate? 'Cause I'm pretty sure he's dead.
Yeah.
Heard the death moan
Yeah.
today.
Where is he standing? Up here more. He or she? Don't know yet.
I think it's a boar.
Think it's a boar?
It's not. It's a huge sow. Eli, what are we doing? Looking for the bear. What bear? The bear I just shot. Where'd it go, boys? Where's the bear?
It was up further.
He was?
You see what?
Is that not the bear?
No.
Oh, that's a stalk.
The bear went in there.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
I remember that jungle.
I see blood right over here. Look at the blood here. Look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez.
See any blood?
Yeah, I do. Oh, my.
You think you hit it?
Yeah. Oh, so missed.
Look at this swath into the trees.
Everywhere.
I don't know if we got him.
I think you might have missed.
No, you missed.
Look at the blood. Okay, just be careful still. It's still a bear.
Oh, hi. I'm scared. Dad, can you be friendly? Oh, he's right there.
Where?
Right there. Poke it. He's going in there after it. He's right there.
Is it big or small?
6-foot bear.
You think so?
Yeah. Get away.
Is it dead?
You're gonna get covered in blood. Oh my God.
Here, give me this thing. I don't think you need the gun anymore.
He's dead. His eyes are like nighttime. Oh, jeez.
Oh, beautiful bear, buddy.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yes. I'm shaking.
Are you shaking?
Me.
That smile.
Hey, let me get a picture.
Eli. Eli, feed him. Give him some food.
Congrats, buddy.
Yes. Eli,
Don't let it stick together.
Get a picture of him tagging his first critter. That's pretty cool.
no juice. Juice. Oh my god.
Here, give me this. And this and that. Drop it.
Is there a place on Earth where bugs don't live besides Antarctica? Oh, jeez. Good, I stepping on your neck.
Few skeeters.
Good job.
Oh, your finger.
Fish really good. High five. Good job. Proud dad moment. I got 2 bear killer kids now.